Hello friends, in this video we have covered one complete topic, submerged arc welding. Firstly we discuss 8 important points, then construction, working, diagram, advantages, disadvantages, and lastly we discuss the application of submerged arc welding. First are the 8 important points in submerged arc welding. First is the welding arc is shielded by a granular flux consisting of lime, silica, manganese oxide, calcium fluoride. First is point that welding arc is shielded by a granular flux consisting of lime, silica, manganese oxide, calcium fluoride. Second is that flux insulates weld area, allows deep thermal penetration. Third is prevents spatter and spark over molten metal. Fourth, shielded glass ETC is unnecessary. Fifth, 300 to 2000 ampere current. Fifth, sixth, speed 5 meter per minute. Seventh, thick plate welding 4 to 10 minutes times more weld material than submerged arc welding process. Eighth is the carbon alloy stainless steel ETC can be alloyed and welding by this process. Now, what is the construction of submerged arc welding process? First, granular flux coming from the hopper. This is the consumable electrode, blanket of granular flux, and then vacuum system for recovery of granular flux. This is the slag solidified flux, solidified weld metal, molten weld metal, molten flux, and base metal. This is the construction diagram of submerged arc welding process. You have take snap of this image. Unfused flux is recovered and reused. Now, what are the important equipments in submerged arc welding process? First is the voltage and current controller. Second is the unfused flux recovery tube. Third is the electrode wire reel. Fourth is the hopper, flux hopper. Fifth is the wire feed motor, contact tube, workpiece, weld backing, electrode, cable, ground, voltage pickup leads. Now, this is also the construction image of submerged arc welding process. This is the diagram of submerged arc welding process. Simple and easy diagram you can draw while answering the question. This is the workpiece. This is the earth provided to the workpiece. Weld pool is created during welding. Submerged arc, electrode wire, drive rolls through which the electrode is fed, and DC power supply, fused covering flux. You can take the snap of this image. Now, this is the working image of the submerged arc welding process. Practically, we can observe this image when performs the practicals. Now, what are the processes involved in submerged arc welding process and its working principle? These are the 4 processes involved in submerged arc welding process. First is the The flux containing calcium oxide, calcium fluoride, silica is crushed to form a coarse powder, granulated flux powder. This powder is then spread over the point weld to be formed. Second point is the consumable electrode is fed into this flux. Since the electrode is submerged into the flux, the arc is invisible. Third is when power supply is on, arc is formed, which is submerged under the layer of powder. The intense heat of the arc produces a pool of molten metal in the joint weld. At this time, a portion of flux melts which protects the liquid weld pool from surrounding, whereas rest of the flux which has not melted by the arc heat shields the arc from the surrounding. Fourth is this molten flux acts as a cleaner, absorbing impurities from the molten metal and producing slag, which floats on the top of the molten metal. This slag solidifies with the molten metal and can be easily pushed off. This is the process involved in submerged arc welding process. You can write as it is. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of submerged arc welding? Advantages of submerged arc welding process. Very high welding rate. Very high welding rate. The process is suitable for automation. High quality weld structure. Disadvantages. Weld may contain slag insulations. Limited application of the process mostly for welding horizontal located plates. Now, what are the application of submerged arc welding process? Steel fabrication of structural shapes, I-beams. I-beams are created by this process. Seams for large diameter pipes, tanks and pressure vessels. Welded components for heavy machineries. Most steels except high carbon steels. Not good for non-ferrous metals. These are the applications of submerged arc welding process. So we have successfully completed the topic submerged arc welding. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then subscribe the channel for more updates.